So today, here on GeekSmart, we're going to see how we can set up my Ring device, which I have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, can now work and control the various Lutron lighting systems that are out on the market today. And so, yeah, let's put them together. Hey guys, welcome back to GeekSmart. So, I've done several videos on various Lutron device and products over the years, and one of which is the smart dimmer switch. Now, I already have this installed. It has a smart hub, it has the dimmer switch, and I actually moved it so it actually is controlling my front porch lights right now. And I kind of did that on purpose so that we can really do a really good job of showcasing what it can do. And of course, recently I installed the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Now, part of my reason for doing this is that Lutron actually came to me and said that they were bringing out this whole Ring integration thing. And I was very excited to know that I was going to be able to do this video. Now, a little late with it. Things have been kind of crazy around here. But that said, this year it's 2020. What else can happen, right? So, we're going to show how we can take the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, when pushed, can then actually not only be what the Ring does, throw an alert on a phone so you can view it from your phone or from a computer or whichever, ring my doorbell, but also control. In this case, we're going to control the front porch light. And the neat thing about this is we can actually have this control the light only when it's dark out. It doesn't have to be a 24-hour, no matter every time you touch this, it does that. You can basically have it on when somebody pushes the Ring Doorbell Pro. It activates a light anywhere in the house. You could have it activate your bedroom light if you'd like to, or the foyer light. Wherever you would have a smart light from Lutron connected and up and running, it can be controlled by Ring. So what we're going to do, we've already done the install of this, and I'm going to put links in the description where I have my various install videos for these products. This is going to be an integration video. How does it work? How do I get this to control this? How does it work? Let's find out together. We're going to walk hand in hand while we set it up for my first time. So we're going to find out how easy it really is. So let's open the app right here. Let's get that part done. Then we'll go upstairs. It's getting dusk out right now, so we'll go try it out here shortly. So come on in. Let's open the app. Okay, so to get these two basically linked together, we have to open the Lutron app. So from within the app itself, we can actually have it link directly with Ring. And essentially, because Ring is going to be controlling it, that's how we're going to have to do it. So here we have, we can see the various devices. I have my front porch, bathroom, master bedroom stuff. If I hit the gear icon here, I can add device. And that's actually where we have to go. So once we hit add device, should be listed in here. Haha, works with Ring. That's what we're looking for. Hit the works with Ring. We're going to link my Ring account. I'm going to go ahead and authorize Lutron to control Ring, or I should say Ring to control my Lutron, right? And now I have to log in with my Ring account. Let me do that real quick. Okay, I hit sign in on there, and it came to this next page, which is basically telling to authorize the use. And there we are. We see there is a front doorbell, which is the only Ring device I currently have. And I think you can have this set up where it actually does it with motion. Yep. I want it when the doorbell rings. I don't care about the motion part. I want it when somebody rings the doorbell. I want to, yep, there it is, the front porch. That's the only light that looks like I can currently control. I only want this to happen at night. Actually, you know what? I'm going to keep that off for now. That way I know for sure it's going to work when we actually do it, when we're testing it. And is that it? Yep, so it's already set up. Alert lights turn on one light, so there's no real like save or anything like that. Finishing setup, so we do backup. Nope, look at that. And there we are. So, ring integration. Now it's actually in my settings. There is a ring integration tab, and there's where we can see the front doorbell. And let's verify it real quick. Light turn on one light, overhead light, and that's the front porch overhead light. All right, so let's actually go up and give this a test and to see if it actually works like it's supposed to. Okay, I'm Mr. Visitor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, which is my Ring Video Doorbell Pro, and my front porch light, which is connected to a Lutron smart dimmer switch, which is this. It's actually a set of lights out here. Should turn on. And it worked. Now here's a question. I don't know if it automatically turns off. That is something to find out. Okay, found it. Actually, if I went into while I was actually in the ring integration set, it said all lights will return to their original level 15 minutes after being triggered. So yes, if I'm not home, nobody's home at all, 15 minutes after that doorbell is chimed, that should turn back off. I'm going to put that to the test. I'm going to just wait 15 minutes and find out. So, in the next 1 to 2 minutes, they should be turning off on their own. If they don't, it lied. So I'm going to speed this up, but it should be popping down. It's kind of like watching paint dry. Never done that though. Should coming up any second. Should I almost do like the snap? And I don't know, maybe just time it right? 15 minutes on the money, I guess. I kind of estimated 15 to, yeah, about 15 minutes. It worked. So, upon reading the press release about this integration and the capability that it really entails and says it has, I mean, I was really kind of hoping that maybe, even though it didn't say it, I was hoping that maybe you'd be able to control your shades. Like I have those Lutron, the Serene shades in my living room, which is the big window right next to where my Ring Video Doorbell Pro is, where you could click that, and then I could have the shade closest to the door lift up so I could actually see what was going on out there. I don't know if I actually would do it, but it'd be kind of a neat option. I could see the use in it, right? Same thing if I had wood blinds right there. You could have it so they open the wood blinds so you could actually see out there. So it's kind of one of those things that it has a lot of potential, specifically if you are in the Lutron system or if you're looking at getting smart switches in your home to start integrating the Lutron Caséta system. So still my favorite smart switch system. It has been for a little while. They offer a lot of integration all the way across. I do like, and I understand that people don't like hubs in their home. I have 2 hubs in my house, and one of, well, I guess the Apple TV technically is a smart hub as well, but so 3, right? But having smart hubs makes integration really easy and gets the devices off of your wireless network. More than anything else, routers today are already bogged down by enough devices connecting to them. I don't need all of my smart devices connecting to it as well. Now, obviously it still goes to the router to control from your device and stuff, but I'm not putting every single smart switch, smart light on my router. I'm not doing that. And so I like smart hubs. Personally, I do. I also don't have to worry about Wi-Fi being integrated in, as great in every single part of the house. It seems to me that these actually penetrate walls better. I could be just wrong on that account, but in my house I have a couple of locations where Wi-Fi switches were kind of just didn't like it. Maybe, and obviously you're putting a switch into the wall cavity, and so in the wall cavity it's even worse. I have never had a problem with any of these devices, so I like Lutron's devices. And although I've only had it for about a month now, I love having the Ring Video Doorbell Pro as well. And right now, with Prime Day, it's great. So obviously, we're coming into the end of the year. You're going to see a lot of sales on lots of devices all the way through December. So this is not a review, but this is about setting up and how easy it was. It was extremely easy. You saw it yourself. As well as if you actually go into the Ring app, you can actually see in the Ring app that we connected the Lutron to Ring. So even though I didn't do it through the Ring app, I did it through the Lutron app, you can still see it through the Ring app. So that was also a really neat plus there too. So thanks a lot for watching here on GeekSmart, guys. I got more videos, a lot more videos coming. So I hope you really enjoy what's coming, because I got a big set that's going to be released here in the next week. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and head over to TechGooch and you can get a hold of me directly through there. Otherwise, thanks for watching here all the way to the end, as always. And we'll see you here on GeekSmart for the next video install. Head over to TechGooch if you want to see the reviews. See you soon.